normal immigration where people are moving in to live, or normal migration where people are just like there temporarily. So it's really a serious crisis that we're facing as a country.
You notice a good response here. Did you say illegal? Because the word out there is abafuna abantu bokufika. This is what you're championing. But kubantu abala kukhona ba documented, then bese kuzoba khona laba bangena ngokusemthethweni. Let's clarify that.
Look, I think we've been called a number of things, but we've been specific and we've been consistent in the fact that we talk about illegal immigrants, and not only just that, but foreigners as well who are in the country legally but are committing crime. Those are the two that we deal with.
Okay, so foreigners but commit a crime.
Yes, that are here in jail just to commit crimes in the country.
Okay, and the support oitolayo because you are based in KZN, but this movement footprint is all over South Africa. You even estimate in terms of membership, numbers?
Sure. I wouldn't be quite sure of the numbers, because the whole idea or concept around March and March is that everyone is March and March. Everyone who feels like they're proudly South African and they want to protect and defend their country is March and March. And we've got people who form different branches. I know there's Mthatha people as well. There's Johannesburg. There's even Cape Town now. People are coming on board. We've got Mpumalanga. I know we've got Pietermaritzburg that's also very active, and here eThekwini as well, and in Richards Bay they're also quite active.
Sure. Coming from a struggle family yourself and looking at the world today, we are here, we have South African kids who are all over the world belandela ama careers abo to get ukuthi babe ngcono empilweni. How do you balance le ukuthi at some point, as South Africans, patriotic as we are, what we are doing now might be isn't affect abanye bethu who are elsewhere in the world?
I think it should affect us if you are in a country legally. I think any South African that goes to another country to break their laws, to become an illegal immigrant, a criminal, really needs to be dealt with and brought back home. So that we're not compromising on. But the nice thing though is that the move right now, the trajectory that everyone is moving towards is to protect their countries. In Europe it's happening. In the USA it's happening. Every single country is now saying that we want to protect ourselves.
Do you model yourself stance with Donald Trump?
I'm not a fan of Donald Trump. I think anyone who knows me knows that. I mean, even before elections I was saying this man is such a clown, but the one thing I do admire about him is his love for the USA. And I feel like as extreme as it might be, I mean, I was in America, and when I was in America, I remember I was in Philadelphia, and I was so confused because as I was walking through the streets, there was like 50,000 different languages. There's nothing wrong with that. But when I watched the news, I saw on the news that day that there was people literally on trains, sleeping on trains to get to America. And they were estimating that there's like 10,000 illegal immigrants a day that were coming into America. So I understand where he's coming from because I've been there. I've seen it.
Okay. My guest is March and March, the leader Jacinta Ngobes. She clarifies, at least in the last 7 minutes, that all she is against is illegal foreigners. And if you are South African, as long as you are committing a crime, then she's not your friend. Do you have questions? 0861596596. Ngizothatha uVukani wakamthalane calling us from Thornwood. Vukani ukundaba sabona?
But Alex njani?
Sikhona sekumukela kwigagazi.
Ngiyabonga futhi ngiphinde ngibingelele lapho kusiswe country uJacinta esiyibambe nayo almost 2 weeks lapha eDenton. Yes. Ngibonga nokuthi umjudge sifoni. No, but Alex
besindawonye
kwimatch. Okay. Sure.
Yes. No, but Alex ikonto yami la ukuthi bathi ama-South Africans siyawathi ama-initiative njenge-March and March ukuze ugovernment wethu asilalele. It took almost 2 weeks ukuthi uSiphohlomuka afike lapha eDenton ukuze ukwazi ukuthi kufakeke ingane. So nje okubhlungu ukuthi each and every time la eSouth Africa uma sifuna ukuthi izinto zethu izwakale kufanele sibange umsindo, kodwa thina we are the voters.
Yeah.
yabo lokho nje but Alex ngithi nje ngidlulisa ugovernment akasilalele because thina sivotayo
Yeah.
Mase ngibonga nawo wonke umuntu esibe naye lapha Eddington for almost 2 weeks siqhubekeni nje siyenze le nto mangobe ibe right siyabonga.
Okay, your response kuVukani Jacinta?
No, ngifuna ukubonga nje kubantu abafana njengaye. It's actually 13 days of us camping outside of Addington and trying to demand for a response from government until we took an extreme measure. You know, we bought
Yiphi response kahle hle ebenithi I hear you say ukuthi benilindele response from government.
So when we initially came, sakhuluma nasi isikole, sakhuluma no principal wanqaba ukukhuluma nathi flat out. Sakhuluma na SGB yathi izozama ukusiza, we could not meet nabo. When we went to the principal, wayemile ngeenyawo literally what I'm just here to receive a letter. I'm not going to talk to you guys with a lot of attitude. Yabo. So we said we've got people ebesihamba naye indlela like from June bevala imali transport or transport yengane. They've been complaining to us ukuthi abakwazi ukuyisa ingane. So we insisted even before with sizoza la ngoJanuary because we want you guys to admit ingane zala in South Africa. Well, I think it fell on deaf ears khona lapha esikoleni. Then when we went to the school, sahamba sacela department uthi fike bafike bayenza some window dressing session la bafike khona bathi hayi ingane sesiplace eGreyville.
Yes.
So like, but how are you placing ingane that are displaced from floods? Ingane encane ezinye zawo grade R and you're saying they must travel all the way to eGreyville and instead of walking to school because the school is now dominated by abantu bokufika that you mawuphuma la mabephuma lapha ngaphandle you can see umzali ngayedwa Eddington una ingane ezu3 ezu4 ezu5 you know it's ridiculous.
Kunecala obhekene nalo manje lelo lokuthi uqoquzela ke udlame. How far is it now?
Funny enough we're waiting for the NPA to submit a letter to defend ourselves, which I think is going to be a very short, we don't know what you're talking about, because they're saying we must defend ourselves ngokuthi kuthiwa cause violence but into esisho
which violence?
That's what we don't get because on the day labathi cause violence kwakhona amanyala awu2 kukhona ne water tank esaspraywa ngayo thina abantu ekwaphinda futhi kukhona amaphoyisa mhlawumbe u100. We are saying if we were violent on that day, why didn't you arrest us on the day? Why did you allow us to carry on picketing and then come later and decide it's okay because you don't stop picketing sesonivule licala? On top of that, makuvula lelicala akukho ngisho a complainant eyodwa, not even one. It's just a policeman who said ukuthi thina besilokhuza.
So what's the status of that matter now? Uzovela enkantolo sewuvelile uzoba nge.
Well, they're claiming ukuthi because icala they don't have enough evidence bazolidlulisa ku-NPA to decide if they're prosecuting us or not.
Kune call some are even saying ukuthi the intention is now that Siakma local government elections this March and March movement is registered as a political party.
Yeah.
Are you heading that way?
I don't know how many times to say this, but people don't believe it. So I just want people to believe what they want to believe. Honestly, like I've been explaining myself over and over again. I have no.
You'll explain it for the first time on this show. Is this a political party?
March is never going to be a political party.
And
it is a civil rights movement, and the most important thing that we're promoting is patriotism around among South Africans. Among South Africans, our proud with some South Africans. You know, it's more than just about fighting illegal immigration. We're saying if a lot of South Africans loved their country the way that we did, we wouldn't have problems of people coming into the country, renting spaces from you, getting all of these services.
So dispute nalama reports ayeti uzoba mayoral candidate here MK party eThekwini?
I don't know. Well, I don't know where people are getting those news from. I mean, I've been approached by a number of political parties that I won't dispute. Maninga cool.
Like prominent political parties?
Maninga.
Is MK one of them?
Maninga cool.
Is the IFP one of them?
Gosh.
Listen, ask IFP because not so long ago there was a social media post where someone got the retractor the statement I got this posted.
Yes,
so you were funded by the IFP.
Yeah, everyone believes I'm funded, and like I said, Alex, if I spend time defending myself, I wouldn't get anything done, because abanye they write ukuthi lona ngobenza lento is because she's a single mother or lahla indoda, abanye the reason she's doing this is because she's poor and she's broke. So I'm not going to defend myself, because
so but wenza njena because walahlwa indoda engeyona yase South Africa.
Yes, abanye I'm Mozambican, ngazalwa eMozambique, abanye ngenza lento because ngithola imali to destabilize the
So
country.
Is it true though ukuthi no baby daddy or ungayena South Africa?
Oh gosh.
Okay. So now have you heard what the president said lately? Listen to this.
And I just want to make it very clear to anyone who is threatening any form of unrest, they will be followed up and they will be arrested. Those are people who belong in jail. Those are people who are the enemies of our democracy. The people of South Africa value this hard-won democracy, and they don't want any form of instability. And we've always followed the rule of law. When you are dissatisfied with any decision, be it a government decision, the president's decision, a minister's decision, even a court's decision, there are ways in which all those complaints can be followed up. So for anyone to say that if this does not happen, they are going to have instability, it's against the will of the people of South Africa. And I can promise you, those people will have been hearing that. And
okay, what is your response to this?
I'm surprised that the president says that instability is against the will of the people. I feel like for someone who really is out of touch with what the people of South Africa are saying, and he completely ignores the will of the people of South Africa, he can't talk about law. There's so many laws that he's broken. And, by hiring the Minister of Police, the acting Minister of Police, how many laws did he break? He broke a lot of laws. But it's funny because people always glorify the law to favor themselves. It's like the Bible. When you have the Bible and you want to criticize adultery, you'll find a verse. But if you want to promote adultery, you'll find a verse. So it's the same thing. I feel like the laws in this country are being used to favor whatever a person feels like favoring at that time. There's no consistency in maintenance and stability of the law. And if you're talking about the president quickly, Alex, there's a video by Uvuyo Zungula of ATM that perfectly describes how our president here has gone on to capture the judiciary system. And that's how when I saw that video, I was captivated by what Uvuyo was showing. And I would encourage a lot of South Africans to watch that video.
Are you scared? Are you angered? Or are you moved at all?
By who? The president?
By the pronouncements Esho head of state.
No, I feel like if he was there doing apartheid and they fought apartheid and they didn't do it within the means of the law, then how is he the same person telling us about the means of the law? Did they not fight the very same laws during apartheid that was said to be correct at the time, the same laws that we're fighting today?
That's Jacinta ngobe sizuma ngithatha usizwe luthuli nawe eNanda mhlawumbe una kwindaba sabona
but niyaphela but Alex
yebo sekumukela kwigagazi
ngicela ukungelela nosijisindla
yebo mfethu ninjani
ngiyaphila ngicela ukuthi sijisindla ngicela uqine understand abantu base South Africa bangamaxoki understand if a politician ikutha in a case bahamba bayogcwala emgwaqweni etown eThekwini bafike bathi hands off bani kuwo wonke lamatown ase South Africa but today kulwelwa ama South Africans abayi most abo. You understand? Abayi kunaleyo nto if a politician batholela ukufa but politician izamela ifamily yayo not bona bathi ukuthi hands off but ngifuna ukuthi ngicela niqhubele uJacinta nathi siyathanda ukunjoy but na most of the time semgwaqweni ngokomsebenzi understand?
Yebo siyabonga kakhulu mfethu.
Alright siyabonga sisi.
Siyabonga.
Ngiyadlala kusizwe ngeshow ekundumiso Shando Ndumiso wendaba sabona?
Njani
siyaphila unjani Mthiya?
Siyaphila. Ngithatha ukubingelela na uJacinta lapha e-studio.
Kunjani emkhaya?
Siyaphila mkhaya.
Hayi siyaphila.
Cha ngifisa ukusho ukuthi hayi cha uyibambe kahle sisi. Isho nje representa kamnandi ngale ndlela. Siyabonga kakhulu siyafisa ukuthi uqhubeke njalo nje usimele singama South Africans ungaphela amandla kodwa futhi again ngifisa ukuthi kule politics ngoba ngeke ngithola nama local political parties afisa ukuthi wajoyine uyibheka kakhulu sisi ingakulimaza kakhulu ize ikususe endleleni kule ndlela nje ukubona ngicabanga ukuthi right kakhulu okugcina sithi ukuthi nje yabona ukuhlangana kuwe ne-studio namhlanje ngikhumbula kudala
so manje kushuthi akavele ayiyeke lento yomzabalazo ahlale kwi-radio
kabuya seyikhumbula leso nebona ikhulu.
Thank you so much.
Siyabonga kakhulu sure.
All right, sure.
No, siyabonga kakhulu. Interesting ukuthi from ukuhlala nawe as a colleague Gagas is celebrating 20 years and now you come back also fake another hat.
Yeah, I think when I think about it, I think it was prophetic. I always knew my voice was going to be for change. I think you know this. I've always said this. I just know my voice is going to be for change. But I always thought it was going to be radio. But then God shifted me in another direction, and I always make it a point to listen to what God says to me.
Yeah, sure. All right. So how has impilo yakho changed now? Because when you entertainer, artist, msakazi, you are a people's person, and you go everywhere. Comments like this, a selfie with you. Now you champion into ethinta safety nempilo yabantu. How has impilo yakho changed?
Definitely on a security point of view, I know I'm not as free as I used to be, but when I'm free, you know, I feel like now I can say what I want to say, you know. Entertainment, you have to work within the boundaries and not say zinto because you're scared and you're confined and so now I feel like as much as my life has changed in terms of safety, but I feel liberated in a certain way.
Sure.
Yeah.
At some point, umuntu nomuntu unonembeza at whatever level.
Yeah.
There are people who are in this country not ngokuthanda kwabo because babalekela izimpi, family have been displaced, they have ingane encane abacrossa nazo iborder. You being a parent yourself, at some point ayidluli leyo nto kuwena yokuthi isimo salomuntu osuka eSouth Sudan osuka kuphi la kusuka khona from Zimbabwe, they are here ukusurvive so ingane zabo can have bread.
Yabona nje leyo Alex, ngicabanga ukuthi into enkulu kakhulu, sonke akekho umuntu onganayo uzwelo, akekho umuntu onganayo unembeza. Kodwa umbuzo wami kanje, umakhelwane wakho umehlupheka, usho ukuthi wena kufanele uthathe konke ukuhlupheka kwamakhelwane wakho ukwenza uko wakho ezakho izingane bese ziyalimala at the end of the day. Wena ngeke yini ukhululeke ukuthi wena umsebenzi wakho wonke mawuhambile wayosebenza ingane zakho ziyakwazi ukuyithola lento ezifunayo, kunokuthi njalo nje wena ucabangela ukuthi umakhelwane wami uyahlupheka ngithi ngithathe yonke igrocery yami ngiyomnika, ohathi ngimthatha ezohlala la endlini yami. Akukwazi ukusebenza kanjalo ngoba lento isidala ukuthi abaholi labase Africa babe very complacent ngoba bayakwazi ukuthi benze noma yini omnangwanga nangu ufuna enye item manje. Abantu bakhe ngeke bamchallenge ngoba bazi ukuthi bazogijima beze South Africa. iSouth Africa kufanele ba absorb. So ingakho ke sina lenkinga esinayo ukuthi sizama ukuphusha bona futhi abantu bakulamaza ukuthi kahleni anikhumbuleni ukuthi uhulumeni inini eniuhulumeni njengoba nathi sizama ukwenza lokho.
Sure. NgikuNhlanhla Makhoba nawe eMtuba ukundaba eNhlanhla.
Angibonge Mthiyani, ngiphinda ngibonga noProfessor bethu ukusilethela uMangobese.
Is Shoshov lesi.
Ayiswa.
Mqongeba.
Yebo.
Uyabona nje kumanje Mthiyani, you can't believe ngathi bengiprophet ukuthi kuzoze uMangobese la. Ngifakela kusekhaya sami. I think bekhuluma nje amazwi ajulile, angazi wayekhuluma naye inkatheli kodwa khona amazwi ajulile. Ngifaka isetha sampela ngifakile ngiyabona like.
Yeah, wayekhuluma kuGagas FM News Rap le release on Friday izosiphumelele zonke.
Yabona la ulosazane mina ngicabanga yabona nginale guilty conscience ukuthi ngisemntuba angikwazi ukujoina amamasha akhe as much as I wish ngesimo somnotho ngabe right, but mina ngiyakwazi ukudrive ngingenzuze lutho ngiyentweni ngiyisupport ama ngibona ukuthi right. I wish ukuthi isimo sizoba right ngihambe ngiyosupport amamasha akhe ngoba Mthiyani izolifile ngiphress ngifili ukuthi ayithi ababono so ngiyaphatha kabi ukuthi uhlomuka engaze akhulume kanje as if uMangobese uphusha into yeagenda yepolitics as if bona ababoni kwenzakalani. Manje mina ngiyabonga mina Mthiyani ukuthi wavotwa yakhona le MK yahlakaza uANC. Yabona uma ungabuka koMadlanga Commission today ukuthi kuvele ukuthi abantu sibathembile abakuma position aphezulu abaphethe zokuphepha bahlala nezigebengu ukuthi ayibulala abantu amalokhuzana abantu ama whistleblowers.
Your response to Makoba?
Angivumelana kakhulu naye ngoba into engifuna ukuyigxeka kakhulu before ngize ninqamule. Osopolitiki sebe abantu abasebejwayezile ukuthi yonke into fanele ibe PR. Mawukhuluma ngempilo zabantu iPR ayisizi kwesinye isikhathi anike nivume nje ukuthi hayi silenzile iphutha nakho sokulungisa anike nivume nani ukuthi you know la asihambanga kahle angeke ubezwe beyisho leyo nto kunalokho kuzothiwa ipolitiki sizotholani thina ngokuthi sithathe izingane engafundi ngabe yabo kube leza izingane azange intervene ngabe hleli walkers eBish namanje up and down kodwa kuthiwa zidlala ipolitiki anginandaba ke nokuthi kuthiwani ngami kodwa mina ngibonga ukuthi lezi izingane namhlanje zine future zine kusasa and sisazoqhubeka siyilwe lento yezingane zase South Africa engafundi ngoba bafuna khona ukuzenza lezi zinto abathi amaphara ehlala ngaphansi kwama bridge bebedayisa ama drug bona futhi sopolitiki bezimali
sizathu ke lesi that should propel you if you are disappointed ngeconduct ama politicians then join them so you can change it usungaphakathi ithi ngithathe uSifiso Ntuli from Emirates Sifiso Windaba sabona
Alex
yes Sifiso Windaba sabona
Angibingelele niyaphila emsakazweni eGagasi FM.
Yebo sekumukele nathi kwiGagasi FM.
Mangobe sangibingelele.
Yebo Sifiso.
Ngiphatheke kabi ukubona uMEC waKwaZulu Natal wezemfundo ekhuluma kanje uthi ngathi kunenhle sepolitiki ukuthi ngomthetho futhi ibona abahlezi vele besebenzisa ipolitiki so angikubona lephutho ukulwela izingane ukuthi zikwazi ukungena esikoleni akwazi ngempela abafowethu ukuthi izingane zaseNingizimu Afrika kugcina kube izona engakwazi ukuthola isikole bese kuthi zangaphandle ikwazi ukuthola isikole kanti inkululeko la soyithola mthazane kunjani
engakaphenduli nje Jacinta angisale sengitshela la Luthuli ekutheni the MEC uHlomuka is going to join us masiqeda nje manje no Mrs Zuma he is going to join us and then uzothola ithuba loku elaborate further and then sizombuza leyo mbuzo your response to the statement yenziwa MEC of Education
I think that this is the new kind of oppression sesicindezelwa ngendlela ehlukile manje qala sasino yabo into ebhlungu ukucindezela umuntu wakini omnyama ukuthi lokhu kuwindow dresser wenze ngazi ukuthi akwenzeki qala sas oppressor belungu sabavumela abakwenza for many years namhlanje khona abantu bokufika abasicindezelayo lokhu kuthiwa ingoba abantu abamnyama ukuba abamnyama kusho ukuthi fanele nisuke emazweni enu nizothatha imisebenzi yabanye abantu
What is the relationship here March and March ne provincial government yaKwaZulu Natal le Ntuli?
Sina sine relationship now wonke umuntu who wants to have a relationship nathi. Sihambile saya eGoli saya kwi department yaka education sakhuluma no Hlawudi wa confirm ukuthi ngicela nje ni confirm ukuthi ne relationship nathi. I department yaka Home Affairs ne relationship enhle nabo simasithole information sayidlulisa. Uhulumeni waKwaZulu Natal uhlezi usibiza uthi isicela sibenzele ama suggestions ukuthi singenza kanjani ngoba bane program ekuthiwa engangeni ngesango iyafohla. Sizama ukusebenza futhi nabo. Akekho umuntu thina sithi asikho willing ukusebenza naye yikho futhi department enjalo ukuthi amanye ama department ahulumeni asibona njengezitha noma ama vigilante la abahlala befuna ukusenza ngathi siyiwona kodwa umsebenzi sesiwenzile thina kule nyanga ehlule ubahlule in many years.
Yeah, le question nami bengibuza ngani ekutheni khona manje you are responding to an MEC waka education. I'm not sure whether a coincidence yini ukuthi in the last year that would mean ukuthi you have locked horns with at least 2 MECs, you as Jacinta from the MEC waka health nomagugu then to MEC Sipho Hlumuka. Is it a coincidence that they come from ANC?
I haven't locked horns with the MEC waka education. I wouldn't believe so. Njengoba ngisho asikaze sibe ne interaction ne department ya education sibezo bekhuluma nje lapha nathi sikhulume ngala kodwa akaze kuze kufike to the extent like kuthiwa kuba ngendlela kwakungayo ka health where it's become personal engazi ukuthi kuliwa nathi kanjalo nje no I wouldn't say that. So the only department esiyasithatha yasibeka kulelo zinyo ukuthi kuba ngathi ku personal sekhishwana nasemsebenzini I department ya health.
All right. Ngizokhuluma nayo MEC waka education now. So are you
comfortable
planning to meet with him to address these matters?
We tried
You approached them all.
We did. Sasihambisa ngisho memorandum.
And then what was the response?
Bathi njengoba ngisho esikoleni ngisho I think namhlanje befika sicelile ungena basinqabele bathi singangeni. Yabo, I think banane protective barrier abayi create around themselves ukuze singakwazi ukucommunicate nabo. Ngoba ngisho it's not personal. Tina, we just want lento sifuna ukuthi niyenze, and that's
Thank you, Jacinta. We will play the MEC this recording, but thank you again for being with us on Gagasi FM.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Jacinta. Yes. The conversation ikona kwi-app uzoyithola as a podcast March, and we are live now. You can watch this on Indaba with Alex on Facebook. Up next, so khuluma MEC of Education Sipho Dlhamuka, and then some of the things ngibonile amanye ama comments abebheke khona to the statement asenzile earlier, so he will clarify position yabo on this matter, and then ngamanye ama matter athinta izimo saka education. Indaba on Gagasi.
Are you looking for something meaningful for umntwana wakho to do while they are glued to their phones? Mhlawumbe something with a little adventure. Gagasi FM is introducing something crafted for young minds. The audiobook podcast entry called Storytime. Children's stories narrated beautifully straight to your home or car. A safe, smart way to keep them entertained. Download the app Gagasi and let your child listen to Idore today. And if you are umbali and unesfiso for your story to be heard, email us at storytime@gagasi995.co.za. Storytime, brought to you by Gagasi FM, the sound of KZN.
If you didn't listen to Indaba, here's what you missed.
As uRamakgopa, the Minister of Electricity,
what
usizo now?
Don't have backup power generator at their official residence. I don't have, they just give me official residence in Cape Town. When there's load shedding, at home where I'm staying.
With your family?
Yes, I'm staying in a housing complex over 1,000 units.
Do you experience what with North South African?
Yes, I do experience. But I'm saying at my residence where I am, the developer is invested in generating units.
Maybe you should not have that option. So you feel what close to 52 South African millions feel.
Oh, I know how my parents' house feel. The point you are making, I mean, it's hitting home. You are absolutely, it's not an exaggeration, the thing, but we are not dramatizing. That's why we continue to come to the radio station. The people must vent their anger.
The minister responsible for electricity, Osiyenso Ramakgopa.
Oh, thank you very much, Alex.
Ngiyadala kusizwe ngeshow ekundumiso from 7 to 8 joined by Dr. Shabalala. So besikhuluma memathers that into zomdafazo. Show that is not suitable for ingane. That's coming up at 7. But for now, we're still discussing akuthintayo nawe. That interview I just had with him March Lega Jacinta versus Zuma. Uzoyithola njengawo wonke ama interviews podcast yakhona na video. Uzoyithola izobe isikwi app yeGagasi Show. I know we'll come the MEC Yaga Education Sipho Dlhamuka and to zoom into isisombululo concerning the matters around the admission of learners following this much talk about Edenton Primary School protest ebisethekwini. Welcome to Gagasi. Masingabukela nje kwi-department le oyiholayo kubona wonke ama-district awu-11 the process yokubuyela kwey'ngane ey'koleni kuhamba kanjani? So manje kusho ukuthi akavele ayiyeke le nto yomzabalazo ahlale kwi-red.
Thank you so much.
Interesting ukuthi from ukuhlala nawe as a colleague Gagasi celebrating 20 years and now you come back usofake another head.
Yeah, I think when I think about it, I think it was prophetic. I always knew my voice was going to be for change. I think you know this, I've always said this, I just know my voice is going to be for change, but I always thought it was going to be radio. But then God shifted me in another direction. and I always make it a point to listen to what God says to me.
Yeah, sure. All right. Okay. So how has it been congratulations when Lydia, entertainer, artist, a great talk last year. And what has been the secret that you implemented, producer Lamarazazi with you? Now you champion into ethical safety in impilo yabantu. How has impilo changed?
Definitely on a security point of view, I know I'm not as free as I used to be, but sometimes when I'm free, you know, I feel like now I can say what I want to say. You know, by entertainment you have to work within the boundaries and not say izinto because you're scared and you're confined and so now I feel like as much as my life has changed in terms of safety, but I feel liberated in a certain way. Yeah.
At some point, at whatever level, there are people who are in this country not uthanda kwabo because babalekela izimpi, family have been displaced, they have ingane encane abacrossa nazo iborder. You being a parent yourself, at some point I feel leyo nto kuwena yokuthi isimo salomuntu osuka eSouth Sudan usuka kuBlack suka khona from Zimbabwe, they are here ukusurvive, so ingane zabo can bread.
Yabona nje leyo Alex, ngicabanga ukuthi into enkulu kakhulu, sonke akekho umuntu onganayo uzwelo, akekho umuntu onganayo unembeza. Kodwa umbuzo wami kanje, umakhelwane wakho umehlupheka, usho ukuthi wena fanele uthathe konke ukuhlupheka kwamakhelwane wakho kwenze kuwo ezakho ingane bese ziyalimala wena ngeke
you visited the Edmonton primary
mawuhambile wayosebenza ingane zakho ziyakwazi ukuyithola lento ezifunayo kunokuthi njalo nje wena ucabangela ukuthi umakhelwane wami uyahlupheka education. What is the response after you have akwazi ukusebenza kanjalo ngoba lento isidala ukuthi abaholi labase-Afrika babe very complacent ngoba bayakwazi ukuthi benze noma yini omnango angananga ufuna enye itheme manje abantu bakhe ngeke bamchallenge ngoba bazi ukuthi bazogijima beze South Africa. South Africa kufanele ba-absorb, so ingakho-ke sinalenkinga esinayo ukuthi sizama ukuphusha bona futhi abantu bakulamazwe ukuthi kahleni aniyikhumbuleni ukuthi uhulumeni inini eniwuhulumeni njengoba nathi sizama ukwenza lokho.
Ngikuthatha amakhoba nawe Mthuba undaba enhlanhla
makuvulwa ikolo ngengachaza sawuthola umlayezo ukuthi kunabantu
abase-Edmonton
abakhala ngoku-abuse kwabantwana. Yebo into echo njengalo usuku lokuqala ngathinta no-District Director umama uMasango ukuthi ngicela baye lapha e-Edmonton bayobheka ukuthi yini inkinga ngoba besithi futhi nakwezulile akade kunenkinga khona ngabe sifuna ukuthi bekhona i-smooth administration of abantwana ikakhulukazi.
wekhona kweGagasi FM News Wrap le released on Friday izothumelela zonke
ukuthi kunabantwana ekade beki-waiting isikolo sithatha abantwana abawu-1512 ngokwe-capacity yakho, kodwa kunabantwana ekade beletha abazali ababe-applying ngonyaka odlule babeka ku-waiting list, basatholakala nabantwana abebe-waiting list and asikho isikolo abangaya kusona ba-aplya khona ezimphela. Ngibese ngikhuluma no-HOD no-director ukuthi cha akube khona indlela abantwana labo abakhonzwe bathathwe ngoba akekho umntwana emfanele ahlale ekhaya engayisikolweni. Iphela eyikhulile umongameli ayisayini ukuthi akekho umntwana afanele ahlale ekhaya kodwa umntwana akaye esikolweni. Umnyango ayidumekile kube khona indlela ukuthi ube usikhande abathatha-ke labo bantwana labo. Futhi emaqhubeka sasesithola futhi kunabantu abalethwayo abanye abathishwe ey'koleni ekade
angivumelana kakhulu naye ngoba into engifuna ukuyigxeka kakhulu before ngize nginqamule osopolitiki sebeyabantu abasebeyijwayezile ukuthi yonke into kufanele ibe PR. Mawukhuluma ngempilo zabantu i-PR ayisizi kwesinye isikhathi anike nivume nje ukuthi hayi silenzile iphutha nakho sokulungisa, anike nivume nani ukuthi you know hayi la asihambanga kahle, angeke ubeze beyisho lento kunalokho uzothiwa ipolitiki sizotholani thina ngokuthi sithathe bathatha ingane engafundi ngabe yabo kube leza ingane zange zithaphini ngabe hleli walkers ebeach namanje up and down kodwa kuthiwa zidlala politics anginandaba ukuthi kuthiwa ngami kodwa mina ngibonga ukuthi lezi ingane namhlanje zine future zine kusasa and sisazoqhubeka siyilwe leti ingane zase South Africa engafundi ngoba bafuna khona ukuzenza lezi zinto abathi amaphara ehlala ngaphansi kwamabridge bebedayisa amadrug bona futhi sopolitiki
that should propel you. And if you're disappointed in the conduct of politicians, then join them so you can change it. Education etholwa abantwana yesifiso kwendaba someone documented or not.
Ngibingelele ngiyaphila emsakazweni eGagasi FM.
Yebo sekumukele nathi kwiGagasi FM.
Constitution yase South Africa.
Yebo sifiso.
Ithi abantwana abase fanele noma kanjani bakwazi ukuadmit bakwazi ukuthola imfundo. Aba-documented naba-undocumented. Yingakho lapha e-Eddington isithema sesenza esofa ngoba bekukhona inkulu bengalona eqiniso ethi Eddington idominatwa abantwana ababuya ngaphandle kwase South Africa. Bangakunikeza istate noma nawe ngicela ngithi ake sihambe sithatha usuku sibabiza abantwana sithi abakuphi uzobona ukuthi abantwana base South Africa da more than 980 abase South Africa abalapha eEddington bakhona nabangaphandle kwase South Africa abakhona lapha abangaphezulu ka 500 abadocumented ukuthi abantwana abazali babo abaziwayo base South Africa abenza izinto abazenzayo ngokusebenza noma ngokufunda kodwa bese kubakhona abantwana abawu 15 aba-undocumented abawu-10 babo abantwana base South Africa abawu-5 babo abantwana bangaphandle e-South Africa. Yingakho-ke sithe sizokhuluma no-Home Affairs amaphoyisa ukuthi laba bangaphandle kwe-South Africa aba-undocumented kusho ukuthi bangabantwana abazali mhlambe abafike eSouth Africa illegal. Umuntu ofike eSouth Africa illegal kumele uHome Affairs amaphoyisa benza umthetho ukuthi babuyele laba abasuka khona. Uma bebuya ngokusemthethweni kodwa laba balegal kufanele baqhubeke bafunde kodwa abantwana afanele ba-affectwe izinto zabazali babo.
It's 13-7. Indaba on Gagasi. I'm with the MEC Education Uhlemoga, and that question related to the guest I had earlier. Bengino Jacinta Ngobese Zuma, like to Kuluma Kona March and March. And MEC, I'm not sure if you did get a chance to at the interview I had earlier. I had Mrs. Ngobese Zuma here, and Kulmile nae ekteni masen kuluma nawe. I will play this part from the interviewing Ben nayo now, and then best you respond.
I haven't locked horns with the MEC waga education. I wouldn't believe so. Njengoba ngisho asikaze sibe ne-interaction ne-department ya education. Sibezo bekhuluma nje lapha nathi sikhulume ngala. Kodwa akaze kuze kufike to the extent la kuthiwa kuba ngendlela kwakungayo ka health where it's become personal engazuthi kuliwa nathi kanjalo nje. No, I wouldn't say that. Okay. So the only department esiyasithatha yasibeka kulelo zinga ukuthi kuba ngathi ku personal sekhishwana nasemsebenzini i-department ya health.
All right. Ngizokhuluma nayo MEC waka education now. So are you
comfortable
planning to meet with him to address these matters?
We tried.
You approached them all.
We did. Sahambisa ngisho memorandum.
And then what was the response?
Njengoba ngisho esikoleni ngisho Eddington namhlanje befika sicelile ungena basinqabele bathi singangeni. Yabo, I think banane protective barrier abayi create around themselves ukuze singakwazi ukucommunicate nabo. Ngoba ngisho it's not personal. Tina, we just want lento sifuna ukuthi niyenze and that's
it. Thank you, Jacinta. We will play the MEC this recording. MEC, your brief response to this?
No, qinisele udadewethu uMazuma asikaze sihlangane naye ngokwesikolo ngoba thina ipolicy yethu sihlangana nomzali sihlangana neguardian yomntwana. Omunye umuntu engeke ongayena umzali ongayena eguardian kuzoba difficult ukuthi sixoxe indaba ethinta umntwana engayena umzali womntwana unless kuthiwa i-court directed that. Kodwa udadewethu uZuma singahlangana naye esikolweni somntwana wakhe uma la khona nenkinga khona. Yingakho ngithe mangikhuluma nabanye ozakwethu engibabopha ngaphandle ngathi asingaphazamisa abantwana bala eEddington
kodwa ingane zethu sibe sihambe ezinye izikolo ziyafunda zona traumatized lutho ayekho umuntu ovimba emgaqweni evimba emasangweni kodwa kukhona indlela ukuthi sihloniphane sihlonipha abantwana kakhulu ama-rights abantwana kubalulekile ukuthi siwahloniphe.
So you will not meet with them because they are not parents of ingane zalesi sikole is affected?
No, we can meet with anyone. Officer raise ama issues akhuluma nge-education as a sector because we need everyone to build education in case that any education in South Africa. But it's difficult when meet kunabantu abaphazamisa ingane njengoba manje kunabazali engasebhali incwadi bheka uprincipal abase South Africa banofisa ukukhipha ingane zabo e-Eddington ngoba ingane zabo zi-traumatized. Sase sibakhulumisa ukuthi cha sidila nesimo ingane zingaphuma ngoba kuzo affecteka ingane uma ziphuma ithina futhi kufanele siyofunela futhi ispace.
Sure. Singithatheke uNtimba now from Kamashu. Ntimba uwikakasi sabona?
Ayibingelele Alex nobaba uSemola la.
Siyabafuma nathi?
Siyabingelela.
Ntimba sikulele?
Alex. Nobaba ngithi mina uyazi ukuthi sabantu baseNingizimu Afrika ngicela ngishayele ihlombe bawuhlomuka isifundazwe sakho ukuthi sisenze kahle kakhulu seNingizimu Afrika sikwazi ukuthi sikushayele ihlombe lokusakubonga. Bese ngithi mina ukuthi thina abantu baseNingizimu Afrika siyashesha ukukhohlwa. Ngikusho ngani lokho Alex ngikusho ngoba ayikapheli ngisho ayikayihlanga ngisho iminyaka eyama-20 sangena kwintando yabantu umuntu onsundu avote esikhathini esiphambilini umuntu owenza njengoJacinta lenkululeko uJacinta ahamba yomasha laphana azwalise uvo lakhe bengamabhunu ngabe kusehulumeni amabhunu ngabe kade ningomile noma waduka walahleka kodwa lo hulumeni okhona manje azakwazi ukuthi ayoma laphana abhekishele ukuthi izingane zabantu abalaba bayizithole ekhaya ngisho akabonga umbutho wabantu ukuthi wakulela lokho besangena kule ntando yabantu esikuyona njengamanje. Ngilapha lena ngikhona baba uHlomuka no Alex ukuthi ngokwami uma ngabe isigebengu sidayisa ama-drugs ngasesangweni lakho noma umakhelwane wakho noma ngabe yinsana noma ngabe yini njengalungile ngizisibonelo kufunakala ukuthi ungayibambeli sona ngokwazi kwami kufuneka uriphote emaphoyiseni ngoba wasibamba isigebengu sakulimaza ngoba lo mbuzo ukuthi awungamripoti ngani noma mhlawumbe usilimaze wena wathatha umthetho ezandleni zamaphoyisa wawungawaripoteli ngala maphoyisa. Ngiyalapha empelethini uJacinta bokufanele ukuthi mangabe ayibona ukuthi khona kungahamba kahle kule sikole axhumane baba uHlomuka noma athinte inhlaka efanele zibhekana nalesimo sithi kuyingane zabantu bakithi ezingenaso isikole laphana eDington kodwa kunokuthi kuvinjwe ingane ukusabiswa abantu bese kungasabi zona izingane zabantu bangaphandle kuphela kodwa bese kusaba ngisho nezingane zabantu balana.
Okay, ima kanjalo ke ima kanjalo nje wena Ntimba before MEC aphendule I have uNhlanhla Makhoba now from Mtuba and then I have uNtimba here saying ukuthi yes much as ubona izinto zingekho right but awazi uyibambela umthetho usho njalo uNtimba ekhuluma about what happened at Eddington.
Yabona Mthiyane ngibelo MEC ubhuto Mdalo nakuNtimba yabona izwa sophinde lilungu masike kusenabantu abanjengoNtimba ababe bebrasha amalundo osopolitiki ngoba mhlawumbe benama-benefit abawabhekile i-wrong lento azoyisupporta e-wrong. Mina ngifuna ukuya ku-MEC straight. MEC I doubt ukuthi ngendlela enenza ngayo no-ANC ngempela personally I believe ukuthi niyawuzondwa ANC anuwazi ukuthi yabo you are just justifying ukhuluma yakho you are justifying there is nothing wrong eyenziwa uJacinta. Iqiniso lithi ingane yami ingane yakho sibuyisela leyo nto kubantu ukuze sakhe isizwe sokuthi mawubona ingane yomunye umuntu ungathi akusiye yakho lo ngane. So njengamanje uthi inkulumo yakhe ithi uJacinta ubangobesa wrong ngokuthi awulela ingane ngoba nakho akayizali biological but in reality ithi ingane kaHlomuka ingane yami njengoMakhoba. Into engibukayo mina wrong ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoNtimba uhlezi support izinto ezirong la sakhe isizwe.
Okay, ima kanjalo ke all right. MEC questioning your love for your movement ukuthi uyi-ANC ngempela na noma uyayizonda and then secondly ni wrong action enithatha against uJacinta kusho Makhoba.
Ngisho ngizwile Mthiyane mangithi abantu esikhona nabo umzali noma i-guided ke uye oyaba
umzali womuntu kodwa ingane ungayizali kusho ukuthi uPetro okhuluma sibolo okhuluma tuba shoda kangizwanga ukuthi noma umntana ongamzali biological kodwa uyakwazi ukuthi ummeme kodwa fanele kube khona neprocess yakhona ngoba ingane mayisiregister fanele phela kube khona ozoyimela phansi ngoba ingane isikole khona phela usuku lokuqala lokuregister nangesikhathi isikolo siqhubeka academically uma kudingakala umzali or guidance fanele abe khona so yingakho ke kuba ukuthi itarifake lento ukuthi ke ANC sayithanda manje sayithandi uyazi uPethu ukuthi angeke ube imember yenhlangano ongayithandi kodwa la ngikhuluma ngoka government ukuthi ama policies ka government asho lokhu ingakho MTA namhlanje nawe uyazi ukuthi kunodokotela abafunde Cuba esabizwa ama Cuban doctors the Cuban doctors awafundanga South Africa afunde Cuba
babe le garota MEC asika justify wrong sikhuluma ngabantu odokotela babe legal asikhuluma la ngama illegal foreigners abathatha izikole zethu bayihijekile mina ngithule ngoba ezenye ingane ifunda ba independent school wrong MEC lo nenza wrong totally wrong.
Ya ngoba ngiyayichaza ngathi abantwana bama foreigners aba legal ngibachaza inamba yayo ngaze ngithi bakhona aba illegal ngize ngathi laba aba illegal fanele sixoxe no Home Affairs namaphoyisa ukuthi abantu abase South Africa bekhona abangekho la ngokomthetho kufanele istate sidile nabo babuyele emuva bezokwazi babe South Africa ngokomthetho.
Okay, asimambela siyaqhubeka le conversation yethu. The MEC of Education uSipho Dlamuka indaba on Gagasi. Remember we are live on a Facebook page yethu indaba on Gagasi and follow that page as we are live now. So follow that page. Yona zokunikeza even the links to the previous conversations and future ones as well.
It's back to school. Kanti nesikhathi sokonga sesifikile kwa Halfway JAC Motors. This January thola izimoto ezithembekile ezilungele umsebenzi webhizinisi nokuhambisa izingane esikoleni. Drive away in a powerful JAC T8 from 6,999 rands per month. The JAC T9 from 7,999 rand per month. Or upgrade your business with the JAC X Series from 324,900 rand. And the best part, tenga and start paying end of March or April 2026 on selected models. Kube lula kuwe kulo nyaka omusha. Visit your nearest Halfway JAC Motors branch today. JAC Motors, powering your everyday.
Thola icathulo zesikole sakwaphatha koSpar ngo-75 rand uma uthenga ngo-350 noma ngaphezulu uswipe i-rewards card yakho. Thola i-Pampers Active Value Pack nappies noma ama-pants assorted ngo-249.99 kanye no-120 gram Simba potato chips thenga mabili ngo-32 randi noma u-400 gram we-Cool baked beans in tomato sauce thenga mabili ngo-30 randi. Lamanani atholakala kuze kube 8 February uma isitoko sekhona koSpar AKZN kuphela kunemigomo nemibandela.
Indaba ngakasi ngizothatha uZiphichili from Isiphingo. Eziphi ukwindaba someone?
Sanibona Alex ndani.
Sikhona sekumukela ma have MEC on the line.
Ngicela ukukhuluma naye. Sawubona MEC?
Yebo, saningani ntokazi.
Awu siyaphila MEC. Yazi inkulumo yakho angiphathanga kahle as if thina South Africans bengathi ingane zethu njengoba nje zikuma public school engathi kuyiqala lelo wa blame kwipolitiki nani ngicela ukubuza MEC unengane engaki?
Ingane zami zintathu.
Zifunda phi MEC?
Zifunda ekolweni ngale ngakithi eMnambithi.
EMnambithi, private or public? Inkulumo yakho okay hayi ngoba usacabanga MEC but ngithi MEC kodwa inkulumo yakho ayizi kahle. This is not about politics. Ungenzi ungathi blind or bantontoni. Indaba illegal foreigners niyayibona guys nama leaders wethu ama foreigners adayisa ama drugs even now khona ama page ade khulume elanda ama foreigners edayisa insange ezikoleni. So manje muzokhuluma kanjena as a leader ngiphatheke kabi.
Yini specifically ayishilo that offended you?
Ukuthi lento is about politics not about a bigger picture ukuthi.
Okay.
Uthe is about politics into enzala kusetshenziswa ingane.
All right. Responda ke MEC nangu uZiphi?
Samthane inkolo yami ithi kunabantu abagqoka igiba zepolitiki abame ngaphandle abaphazamisa izingane. Labantu laba banengane zabo njobe ngibuza nje odadewethu efunda kwezinye zekona. Kodwa baphethe bathi asifake abantwana ngifuna ukuba nje isibonelo ngabantwana engizofuna ukuthi ngichazele kona ukuthi urazi nokuthatha umntwana ekade efunda kwesinye isikole efunda ugrade 7 wamphasa ugrade 7 kodwa bamthatha bamfaka kwilist yokuthiwa akayofunda ugrade 7 e-Eddington. Why umntwana kufanele agraduate aya grade 8? Webiza ngani lonto leyo?
But MEC angithi abantu abaningi baxoshwa ama-floods angithi unexpected.
No, ngithi mina umntwana ubefunda ugrade 7 i-Eddington igcina grade 7. Umntwana ufunda ugrade 7 kwesinye isikole. Kodwa umntwana kumobhalwayiza umzali wakhe naye kuthiwa akabuye azofunda e-Eddington uzofunda ugrade 7. Umntwana makubhekwa ireport umntwana ufanele ngabe uyofunda ugrade 8. Uma setshela ukuthi no lo mntwana uyasa ngabe ufunda grade 8 akasaqualify ukuthi abe la e-Eddington primary. Wonke umuntu uyathuka. What does that mean?
Okay, all right, ngiyadlula ngithatha uXolani Zuma from eThekwini. Xolani kwindaba sabona?
Angibingelele Thangani, ngibingelele no-MEC nabaleli bakho.
Yes, uzosho nje ngemfushane sesiyarapha up.
No, thank you so much Thangani. MEC ngifisa nje before ngibuze le mbuzo engizobuza okokuqala nje umuntu akabonge ukuthi MEC ugcina fikile esikoleni wazokwazi ukuthi enze intervention. The first issue that I wanted to raise with the MEC is that is it not isikhathi MEC la kufanele khona sibe ne-discourse as a country ikakhulukazi when it comes to i-issue constitution. And umubheki ikakhulukazi ukuthi South Africa njengamanje you've got 250,000 students abavela emazweni angaphandle with the limited resources that we have to discuss ukuthi constitution yethu njengamanje akusona isikhathi ukuthi sikwazi ukuyishintsha sibheke la kunama-issues khona to prioritize abantu bala e-South Africa. But secondly umbuzo wami ukuthi uma ngabe ufunda i-constitution uyibheka ithi uhulumeni kumele aprovide ama-services kubantu, but all of these things are subject to ama-limitations. But secondly uma ngabe lokho kumele kwenzeke within the available limited resources.
Okay, MEC ungaphendula?
Umfethu Zuma umfethu nje engimazi kahle kakhulu ummeli kadadewethu Mangobese. Kuyiqiniso ukuthi kubalekile ngaso sonke isikhathi uma thina ngabantu eSouth Africa sibona i-constitution isidinga ukushintshwa fanele sihlale phansi siyishintshe. Kodwa uma ingakashintshwa fanele si-implement ngoba phela iyona iBhayibheli lisitshelayo ukuthi fanele esenzeni. Uma kunento fanele ama-clause fanele siwashintshe phansi washintshe. Enye yama-clause ukuthi sifuna ukushintsha i-constitution ekhuluma ngani ngomhlaba ukuthi umhlaba ubuyele kubantu. Lezo izinto fanele sixoxe nako uma kuthi kunento errong ethi kunabantu afanele bangathola ama-services fanele kuyinto exoxa kwe-constitution bese iye eParliament bese iphasa eParliament. Uma isiphasile abantu abaku-government ba-implementa i-constitution nama-policies ngoba kusuke sekuvumeleke khona sisesemthethweni. Uma singa-implemente ngekho emthethweni sobe ukuthi asibona abaholi ngoba napho
mhlawumbe ungena nje sikhangane ngenze example
kancane nje but before ungene can you confirm ukuthi you are Jacinta Ngobese Zuma's a lawyer?
Well, I'm a lawyer of many clients in KZN and across the country.
Yes.
Okay, yes, ungaqhubeka briefly.
But yeah, the question now, Ms. Kanane, is that, of course, the first issue that UMC is raising is quite correct, but that's the responsibility of lawmakers, and UMC and many other people who are in government are lawmakers, and therefore that is what we should have done over the past 20 years. But the question now is, and what I'm contributing is, if you look at, for instance, issue of Superman, it is a classical case where even the Constitutional Court said, if Kumusama resources are work, you have the right to limit even that right to umuntu ayefuna ukungena esibhedlela athole dialysis, and he died.
Hey, Samuka?
No, uqinisile umfethu ukuthi ukusala sixoxe ngokushintsha kwezinto eziconstitution. Kodwa ngekhathi singakashintshi kufanele ku-implement lokho okusemthethweni. Uma ekhaya unomthetho ukuthi ingane ngo-6 fanele ibe esekhaya. uma ingane zicomplain ukuthi not kuyenzeka kushawa u6 sisebhizi nama homework ngaphandle manje u6 ngathi useduzana ayixoxe lonto kuba sekushaya umoya umthetho kodwa ngekhathi ungakashaya umoya umthetho uzoshaya umthetho ekhaya ukuthi ngo6 kufanele kube sekhaya.
Okay, asibambe la conversation yethu. Certainly the two needs to meet definitely at some point, as the MEC said earlier, and they also said as much and much which they would want to have a platform. Asibonga kakhulu at this conversation with MEC Usipho Dlumuka. Sibonga kakhulu kubekanye nathi engedi.
Sibonga kakhulu sibonga makhaya.
Sure, le conversation ikhona ke ku app yakagazi.